Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to fix EA app temporarily lost connection on Windows PC. So, the best thing we can do is check EA's server status. Just go to EA's official Twitter page, then see if there are any announcements about server issues. As you can see, EA's servers are currently having connection problems. And the only thing we can do is wait for them to finish fixing this problem. Also visit the Down Detector site, and see if other users are facing the same problem. In the absence of any server issues, then try fix the connection by referring to the video in the description. That's it guys, hope this useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.